extraordinary breadth of experience, a man of both business and letters. He spent nearly 20 years in the private sector. He's also published a lot. He has published several books, countless articles. He has been an active leader in Catalonia's cultural and civil society organizations. He comes to the job in an extraordinarily difficult time in modern Catalan history. For all those reasons, President, given everything that's on your plate, we are so pleased that you were able to spend a little bit of time with us. Thank you and welcome. The floor is yours.
Catalan culture is all about collaboration, people working together, people living together, people finding opportunities to show their excellence and then drop back. This kind of collaboration is part of the story that we're telling.
D'aquest dret d'autodeterminació que els catalans volem exigir. Us agraeixo molt que sigueu aquí. Cada dia hem de recordar que tenim presos polítics a Catalunya, que tenim exiliats a Catalunya, i vosaltres sou la veu dels catalans. Sou autèntics ambaixadors del que està passant a Catalunya i us agraeixo molt que sigueu avui aquí. Moltes gràcies, senyor president. Un honor.
Déu meu!
El que s'ha de fer per la república.
Amb llicència de ritme ens m'aniva en despatxos siderals. Respira els flavians,